Dear aspirants who are preparing for bank exams and different insurance exams, Sridhar CC started banking online batch 6. So this batch is useful for the students who are preparing for different bank exams like IBPS, SBI, RRB, and also different insurance exams like LIC, UIIC, NISCL, and Oriental insurance exams. So let us get into the details of it. It is going to be completely English medium batch. This is batch number 6, is completely English medium batch, and it is going to start from 16th November 2020. Before going to get into details of batch 6, I would like to give you the success of Sridhar CC students in the year 2019. Whatever the numbers that you are seeing here is just only 1 year result of Sridhar CC students. So in the year 2019, 3,599 final selections are there from Sridhar CC institution alone. This is only 1 year final selection. Final selection meaning those who got job. And out of them, I'm just showing you results in a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number. Results which are in 2-digit number and a single-digit number. Because of space issue, I'm not able to provide you all those details, but you can access all those details from our official website www.sridharcc.com or our official Facebook page. You can find each and every minute details of all the aspirants who got final jobs in the year 2019. You can find name, registration number, and for which organization that particular candidate was selected. So you can find 3,599 members, minute details, which is crystal clear. The success behind these many number of selections, what exactly the strategy that we are going to follow, what content and up to what level we will teach you, and who are the faculty, and what are the services that we offer to you in banking online batch 6 will show you in next 5 to 10 minutes. So out of these 3,599 final selections, there were 1,022 final selections in IBPS Clerk 9, right from the northeastern state till Andaman and Nicobar Island. So there are 1,022 students of Sridhar CC were placed into IBPS banks in a clerical cadre. And SBI clerical cadre, 647 final selections in the year 2019. Probably, as per my knowledge, Sridhar CC is the only institute which got this much big number in entire pan India. We are the only one, and we are proud to say there are 647 students of Sridhar CC were placed into State Bank of India as a clerical cadre in only one single year, that is in 2019. And RRB 8 PO, 358 final selections, and RRB Regional Rural Banks clerical cadre, 337 final selections. At the same time, in LIC ADO, Assistant Development Officer, 206 final selections. LIC Assistant Clerical Cadre, 189 final selections. And SBI PO, 144 final selections. As you are all aware of that, SBI PO candidates can draw 75,000 approximate salary per month. And we are very happy to say that 144 of our students were placed in SBI PO in the year 2019. SBI IBPS PO, 139 final selections. And these are just a part of 3,599. Still, there are few more notification results which were in 2-digit number and a single-digit number. Because of the space issue, I'm not able to provide you. But you can read and you can search all those details. You can find all those details from our official website or our Facebook page. So batch 6 is useful for what particular notifications? For IBPS clerk, PO, SO, SBI clerk, PO, SO. In SO exam, there are different types of jobs like Raj Bhasha Adhikari, marketing officer, IT officer, and agricultural field officer, etc. based on the job profile. There will be a special paper for you which is called professional knowledge. Professional knowledge is referring to your graduation subject. So leaving that, we will cover rest of all the questions and all the subjects. So professional knowledge we are not going to cover in banking online batch 6. Apart from that, RRB assistant exam, RRB scale 1, meaning clerk and then PO. At the same time, RBA assistant exam, all insurance exams and all PG diploma in banking and finance, that is called PGDBF exams, and FCI, Food Corporation of India, EPFLO, Employee Provident Fund exams. So this batch is useful for all those aspirants who are preparing for all those notifications. And what subjects we are going to cover, let us have a look. We are going to cover reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, banking awareness with respect to financial inclusion. All these subjects we planned in two different ways, that is two different levels. One is basic level and then the advanced level. All these examinations, whatever we discussed here, for all these notification, they're going to conduct exam in two ways, two stages. One is preliminary examination, and those who cleared preliminary examination, they'll conduct mains exam. So basic level syllabus and the content is useful for students who are appearing preliminary examination. To clear prelims exam, whatever content is required, we are going to cover in basic level. And advanced level is keeping in mind that to clear mains examination, we prepared the material in advanced level. Now, all these subjects, including basic level and advanced level, we are going to take 450 plus hours to discuss each and every topic in all those subjects. Apart from this, we also conduct test for each and every topic. Test and the material that we are going to provide you in basic and advanced level is going to be completely English medium, and PDF material you can access for each and every topic of every subject. Classes and explanation is going to be in complete English medium, like how I am taking this session. In the same way, we are going to complete 450 hours and then test discussions. In 450 hours, we just included only classroom hours, but not the explanation. Explanation hours are different. So for each and every subject, there are n number of topics. For each topic, we will conduct you test that is called topic wise test. For all these subjects, we will conduct topic wise test, and the schedule you can find in our website. So duration of this course is divided into three ways. There are three different packages available for banking online batch 6. 3 months, 6 months, and then 12 months. What exactly services that you get in 3 months and 6 months and 12 months? Let us have a look. There are going to be 450 hours of classroom teaching hours and 150 hours of test and then discussion. As I said in last slide, there will be topic wise test. Each and every question that we conduct, we will give you explanation. So to explain those papers, we need 150 plus hours. So total 450 teaching hours and 150 test discussion hours. Altogether, it will be around 600 to 650 hours. PDF copies will be there for each topic in each subject, that may be a teaching or the topic wise test or the grant test. Every single PDF you can download. And monthly, we will conduct model tests in two different ways. One is preliminary exam, the other is mains exam. Every Wednesday, we will conduct preliminary exam, and every second Sunday and fourth Sunday, we will conduct mains exam. Like that, in 3 months period, you can write 12 to 13 exams of preliminary and a 6 mains examination. So your validity is for 3 months. So during these 3 months, whatever special sessions that we conduct, you can access all those special meaning which are not there in 450 hours of teaching and not part of 150 hours of test discussion hours. So as your validity is 3 months, you can attend current affairs classes and you can download current affairs 3 months magazine. And during these 3 months, you can watch any video n number of times. It may be, there is no limit for watching number of times a particular video. You can watch n number of times, but you can access all these services only for 3 months because your package is 3 months. And during 6 months, all these services you can access for 6 months. And at the same time, during 6 months, whatever the special live sessions that we conduct, you can access all those and you can attend 6 months current affairs and you can download 6 months current affairs monthly magazines. And during the period, you can watch n number of times a particular video. And during 6 months, total 24 to 26 preliminary exams we will conduct and 12 mains exams we will conduct. When it comes to 12 months, all the services you can access for 12 months. And in 12 months, 48 to 52 preliminary guarantee exams will be there. 24 mains exams will be there. Special live session access for 12 months and 12 months current affairs and n number of times you can watch, and a part of it, printed material will be sent to your home. What exactly printed material that we send, we'll show you in a next slide. But before going to that, whatever test that we promised here, these are guaranteed tests. In 6 months, 24 to 26 preliminary exams and 12 mains exams. And in 3 months, 12 to 13 preliminary exams and 6 mains exam. These are guaranteed tests. A part of it, bonus test will be there. Bonus test meaning what? See, Sridhar CC is completely student-centric organization. So, last 3 months, 3 months back, we started online batch 1 and batch 2. These are the promised number of tests that we conduct. Apart from this, keeping in mind that students' future, we already conducted 17 IBPS RRB Scale 1 preliminary exams, 19 IBPS RRB assistant exams. So both together it is 36. And we conducted exams for IBPS PO exam, preliminary exam, IBPS clerk preliminary exam also. So you will definitely get these exams. A part of it, for the coming notification, 15 to 20 days before your examination, we will conduct definitely 15 to 20 preliminary exams for major notification like IBPS, SBI, RBI, RRB, NTPC, RRB, Group D, SSC, CGL, SSC, CHSL. These are major notification. So definitely we will conduct 15 to 20 preliminary exams. Those who cleared preliminary exam, we will conduct mains exams for free of cost without charging any extra money. And the material that we conduct is divided into two different ways. As I said, basic course, whatever the subject and whatever the content that we deliver in basic level, we will give you 7 booklets. Reasoning, arithmetic, English, book 1, book 2, general awareness, banking awareness, and computer awareness. And in advanced course, reasoning, arithmetic, and English. Total, you'll get 7 booklets. Those students who join for 12 months package, who choose in 12 months package, we will send printed copy of these 10 materials to your home. And those people who opted for 3 months and then 6 months, you can download PDF copies of all these books for sure. And any student may join for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. For current affairs monthly magazine, we are not going to send material to your home. You should download the PDF copy and you can directly read it from PDF, or if you want, you can take printout. But we can't send monthly magazines to your home. And the reason behind the success, the grand success of Sridhar CC, the team behind, 3,599 selection. And the people who are going to take classes in banking batch 6. English, Murthy sir and Naresh sir. Reasoning, Sesi sir and Prudvi sir. Banking awareness, Mubin sir. Current affairs, Reshma madam. And quant, Sudhir Chakravarti. Quant. I am going to deal complete quant section. And those who prefer to join online batch 6 should visit www.sridharcc.com, and in the top banner you can find online classes. Under online classes you can find online batch 6, online batch 7, like that. Those who want to join English medium batch, they must choose online batch 6. Batch 7 is going to be a bilingual one. Bilingual in the sense Telugu and English combination. Those who want to listen classes only in English medium, they must choose batch 6. And then after completion of your registration, payment gateway will come. Choose your own package, maybe 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. After completion of your payment, you can directly access videos. Schedule for all these already part of your download section. PDF copies you can download it from download section. Schedule also you can download it from download section. So validity starts from, as batch started from 16th November, people who joined on or before 16th November, their validity starts from 16th November. People who join after 16th November, their validity starts from the day of their joining. Suppose student joined on 20th November. Suppose if students have chosen 6 months package, 6 months will be counted from 20th November onwards. So ideally, those who joined on or before 16th November, their validity starts from 16th November only. Those who joined after 16th November, their validity starts from the day of their joining into online batch. Apart from this, if you still have any doubts or concern, you can contact our staff. 950-4433-333 is our mobile contact number. You can reach our staff through our mobile, or online.sridharcc@gmail.com. You can reach us even through mail also. So I wish you all the best and looking forward to see you in online batch 6. Thank you very much.